Evidence GA6-240-202-501 AA1-EB03 Video. Development of Visual Graphic Media Class 70301 FIA9 Sena. Alan Steven Ramírez Rodríguez. Physical activity. Physical exercise. Physical activity is any daily movement produced by the musculoskeletal system that uses energy expenditure above the resting level. Physical exercise is a specific type of physical activity that corresponds to planned, structured, and repeated bodily movement, performed which the objective of improve or maintain one or more components of physical fitness, or what is understood as the measure of the body's ability to function efficiently and effectively in daily work-related or recreation activities. These components include cardiorespiratory capacity, muscular strength, and flexibility. What are the types of aerobic exercise? There are many types of aerobic exercise that can be adapted to your preferences, needs, and fitness level. Some examples of aerobic exercise that are beneficial for your health are: walking. This is an excellent aerobic exercise for all ages. It boosts little stretch all your joints, making it a good choice. Leisure and just starting to exercise. Cycling. This is good for improves your fitness and health. Strengthen your upper limbs in all health with balance and is a good way to get around. Swimming. This type of exercise works your activity does not put exercise strain on your joints. You can measure at your own pace and gradually increase the intensity. Nutrition. Nutrition involves consuming the right amount and combination of nutrients for the body to function. Properly, nutrients are chemical substances found in food. Good nutrition can reduce the risk of disease, aid recovery, and improve mental health. Nutrition is a fundamental aspect of our life as it directly influences our physical, mental, and emotional health. We simply eating nutrition encompasses everything we consume, from the food we eat to images and sounds we perceive daily. At the same time, human beings need to constantly nourish their bodies to ensure tension in good condition. This also contributes to overall good health, which is why maintaining good nutrition is so important for time-based well-being. What is mental well-being? Mental well-being is understood as the state in which a person is aware of their abilities and purchase their daily life with a positive attitude according to the valuation of people. You enjoy good mental health are also able to work productivity and contribute to their community. The importance of mental being, our dream behavior is by our physiological health and directly affect our physical health. For example, a person experiencing anxiety way through more fiction, tongue, hand, food, or tobacco, which can lead to when having diabetes, lung cancer, and other health problems. Thank you.